Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 14. This is Section 4.10, Problem 14. It says Jessica is 5 feet 6 inches tall. Using information from previous problems in this homework, calculate her height in centimeters. So typically what we want to do is take the given information, 5 feet 6 inches, and multiply it times some type of a number 1 so that my units will cancel that I'm given and other units will show up. Well, what makes this problem a little different right from the beginning is I have 2 units of measure. I'd like it all to be in feet or all to be in inches. And I could do it either way. You might know that the 6 inches would make this 5.5 feet. But what I had in mind is if you go back to, I think it was problem 4, it tells you that 12 inches equals 1 foot. So what I'd like to do, I want to have it all in inches because from problem 13, I know that 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. So I kind of have to work with what I know. The previous problem gave me a centimeter inch conversion, so I'd like all of that to be in inches. So 6 inches is already in inches. The 5 feet is not. Let's make 5 feet into inches. So I have 5 feet, and I want to multiply that times something that has feet on the bottom. So it'll cancel. I want inches on the top. So from problem 4, I have 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. Now, if I multiply that out, feet in the numerator, feet in the denominator, cancel. I should have put 1 foot, maybe is better English, but in terms of the math, it's okay. I have 5 times 12, and my units will be inches. So 5 times 12 is 60, so I have 60 inches. So Jessica is 5 feet 6 inches, so that's 60 inches and 6 inches. Well, now the 60 inches and 6 inches, everything is in inches. I have 66 inches. Now I want to convert that to centimeters, but again in problem 13 I have a conversion ratio to go from centimeters to inches, or vice versa. So that's going to get multiplied by a fraction. What goes in the denominator should be what I need to cancel my units of measure. So I should have inches in the denominator and centimeters in the numerator. And I just abbreviate the centimeters. CM is the standard abbreviation for centimeters. So to make those equivalent, 1 inch is the same as 2.54 centimeters. Now, when I multiply, inches in the numerator, inches in the denominator will cancel. I have to figure out what 66 times 2.54 is, and my units of measure will be centimeters. That's something you probably want to do on a calculator. If you run that through your calculator, you will get 167.64. Your units of measure will be centimeters, which is what you want. It says Jessica is 5 foot 6 inches tall. How tall is that in centimeters? In centimeters, that would be 167.64 centimeters tall.